Hey tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the brand new OPPO Pad 4 Pro, the tablet that's making waves as one of the first to pack the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. The most significant highlight is that the OPPO Pad 4 Pro is confirmed to be among the first tablets globally to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This promises top-tier performance for demanding tasks, multitasking, and gaming. Early benchmark scores are incredibly impressive, hinting at a significant leap in processing power compared to previous Android tablets. Expect a 13.2-inch LCD panel with a 3.4K resolution, 3582 by 2400 pixels, and a peak brightness of 900 nits. This suggests a spacious and sharp viewing experience, suitable for both productivity and immersive entertainment. While it's an LCD, the high resolution and brightness should still offer excellent visuals. Teaser images reveal a sleek design with thinner bezels compared to its predecessor. The rear features a smaller, pill-shaped camera module housing a single camera and LED flash, indicating a minimalist aesthetic. It will be available in morning light, galaxy silver, and space gray color options. This ensures smooth multitasking and plenty of space for apps, media, and files. A substantial 12,140 mAh battery is expected to power the device, offering potentially all-day usage. Additionally, it's rumored to support 80-watt fast charging, allowing for quick top-ups. The inclusion of an 8-speaker setup suggests a strong focus on audio quality, promising an immersive experience for videos, music, and games. The OPPO Pad 4 Pro will support an active stylus and a detachable keyboard case with a large trackpad. This signals OPPO's intention to position the tablet as a viable option for productivity tasks, similar to competitors like the Apple iPad Pro and Microsoft Surface devices. It's expected to run on Android 15 with OPPO's ColorOS 15 on top, likely offering tablet-specific optimizations and features. A Tiangong cooling system is mentioned, which will be crucial for maintaining optimal performance under heavy loads, especially with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. The OPPO Pad 4 Pro appears to be a serious contender in the high-end Android tablet market. The inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is a significant differentiator and promises exceptional performance. Coupled with a large, high-resolution display, ample RAM and storage, and productivity-focused accessories, it has the potential to rival established players. So, what are your thoughts on the OPPO Pad 4 Pro? Are you excited about a high-performance Android tablet like this? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future coverage. Thanks for watching.